Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 1st of April and first trading day of the month and Thursday. As always, I would like to share with you today's my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Alright, so let's move into the system and just quick recap traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. If you would like to know how I trade and produce live intraday analysis, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right, let's move on to the three pair. Let's see how I did today. Okay, Euro USD. Okay, let's look at in the 4-hour. Okay, as you can see here, yesterday as we had this long trade, afterwards we also had a counter short trade. Today, as explained to my trader, if the price is gonna break this level, then we're gonna be keep taking a pullback long here. Other thing is, if you look at very carefully, we have 1 2 3. This is inverted head and shoulder pattern is developed, and that's why we had a beautiful, we were mainly focused on long trade here today, and that's why we managed intraday beautiful pullbacks. Let me share with you based on this 4-hour. We did intraday analysis. Let me share with you my intraday analysis. And if you look at this morning, the price was develop another pattern. That's what I explained to my trader, that if the price is going to respect and the support level, and then let me explain to you here. This is 17,122 level, then probably we're going to be taking a long trade here. As you can see, the price nicely respected and broken. And let me open the pointer and let me explain to you this one. As always explained to my traders, that the most safest trade would be after this breakout. As soon as the price is going to break the above the previous high, you can see here as broken, and afterwards when the price retest, that give us the confirmation. Plus in 4-hour we were watching this level, so you can see here long trade here, and then I explained to my trader, just keep banking a long trade here, because now we have the confirmation of inverted head and shoulder pattern. We have 1 2 3 pullback long trade here, beautiful on Euro USD. And at the New York session, I just basically update that analysis, develop another pattern for the New York session traders. As you can see here, price again broken this 200 EMA, and afterwards we have another pullback. And also if the price break above the previous high, this is what we call a scaling trade. And as always mentioned, guys, the target would be this level, which price nicely hit in 4-hour, and that's what I announced my trader. It's time to bank some beautiful pips on Euro USD. So you can see here, technically we were long based on the 4-hour, and intraday we define our entries and exit and bank beautiful pips on Euro USD today. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar, and let's see tomorrow. If the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking a pullback long here, and the first target would be 18,000, 18,000. Let's see tomorrow. We'll let you know, guys. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We refine our entries and exit in intraday system based on the 4-hour. Let's see. All right, let's move on to the pound dollar. And pound dollar, we had a good trades as well. Technically we are long on cable. We are long of whole this month on long on cable. We'll see how that's gonna go. Okay, so as I mentioned you yesterday about pound dollar, that if the price gonna respect this level, as I mentioned even yesterday, then we're gonna be taking a pullback long. And I also mentioned traders that even here you can see here sort of like inverted head and shoulder pattern is developed. You can see here 1 2 3 here, and that's what expecting a nice big move. Once we see this rejection, and we take a long trade here. We also had a very small short trade, bank few pips, but mainly we were bullish on pound. So we had a beautiful, so based on this 4-hour, and let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at this morning, and this was the just before London Open pullback, as we explained, if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, looking up because momentum was bearish. And you can see we had a very small trade as soon as the price hit the previous recent high. That's what we explained, guys. It's time to consider moving your stop loss, or put your stop loss at the break even, which we technically we came out at the break even. And then afterwards, as soon as I see some rejection in 4 hour, and that's what I did analysis here. So even if you look at the 4 hour, this was the sort of like a wedge has been developed. So I did analysis in intraday. I explained to my trader, if you look at price action, price broke on the previous high, you can see here, and afterwards price retested, and if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a long trade here, and then technically we're going to be taking a pullback the rest of the day because the price is broken above the 200 EMA. Here we had a very nice rejection, bearish rejection, head and shoulder inverted develop. So that's what I explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we have this breakout long trade as soon as the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to trader, bank some pips. So we had this beautiful pips on pound dollar. Then I also did another analysis at the New York session. As soon as basically price develop another pattern, you can see a symmetric triangle pattern. And as I said to you guys, based on the 4 hour, we were mainly interested in long, as you can see here. And I also explained to trader another inverted head and shoulder pattern developed. So more likely we're going to be taking a long trade here. And I said to guys, take all pullbacks. So you can see here we had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout retest, long trade here, and then we have another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, then we explained trader to bank some pips. So we had a beautiful long trade on pound dollar, and we're still looking long, as you can see here. Tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to respect this resistance level. We might going to face some counter opportunities, but mainly we are looking long. So let's see if the price is going to break this level, then the target would be this level. Otherwise, if we see any pullback reversal, we might going to see some counter and looking for another pullback at this level. So as I said to you guys, we are intraday. We mainly trade here. As long as the momentum is bullish, we're always looking for pullback. So we'll let you know tomorrow about the pound dollar. But today we had a very interesting trades. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD we were short from yesterday, guys. And if you look at the 4 hour, as I mentioned you in my yesterday analysis, if you haven't seen, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. We had this breakout, and after the breakout, as always, you know that after the breakout pullback. So mainly we were interested in a short trade here. As you can see, price nicely developed, and I also did this analysis based on this one in intraday analysis. Let me share with you guys. I think we have only one analysis. As you can see here, this analysis done because mainly the price was consolidated. That's why this over intraday system does help, because these are the price based chart, is not a time based. So whole day we can see here this consolidation, and at the New York session price developed another triangle pattern, and the price will stay below the 200 EMA, and as mentioned here, breakout. But as always mentioned to my trader, after the breakout, pull back short trade here. So beautiful. As soon as the price broke on the previous low, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful short trade on dollar CAD, bank beautiful pip. So tomorrow, as you can see, that we are bearish on dollar CAD. Let's see if the price is going to break this previous low. Then we're going to keep taking a pullback short here. We might going to face some counter, but you can see here this level is broken. Might going to see another pullback short here. All right, so we'll let you know tomorrow about dollar CAD. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We look at high time frame price action, and then we refine our entries and exit in intraday and bank beautiful pips. So today we had a beautiful, as you can see, my traders bank so far, one of the traders bank 111 pips. This is the breakdown. Mostly you can see pound dollar, pound yen, long trade here, bank beautiful pips, and still holding 3 trades short on dollar yen and dollar CAD. still is in profit. Stop loss at the break even. This is very tight stop loss on dollar yen. Let me share with you the dollar yen. So I believe he has taken this short trade here based on this analysis you can see here, and he's still holding these two shares. We'll let you know tomorrow about these trades, but he still is in profit. So you can see most of the analysis today bank beautiful pips. You can see here all of them. We had a beautiful breakout on Kiwi dollar. That was the pretty straightforward breakout. And we have Aussie dollar long breakout. So you can see here beautiful. We had a long counter long. I think let me share with you the Aussie dollar today's analysis. We had a beautiful. We were long since the price basically at this level. When the price basically, and then we explained to trader price develop a double bottom, look for counter long trade, and beautiful bank profit. And then you also bank profit beautiful at the New York session breakout long trade. So you can see here most of the traders bank beautiful pips. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis detail. If you would like to see our rest of the pairs, including this major currency pair live intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I'm keep explaining guys that my objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis, which include fundamental and the technical analysis, and that's the best way you to develop and learn a trading skill. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you have seen all of my past analysis. You can watch, the link is given in the video description, that all these three major pair I've been explaining each and everything, 4-hour analysis and based on the intraday analysis and pretty standard price action trading. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside with my professional trader. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. If you would like to discuss your forex trading challenges, or if you think is there anything I can help you guys, feel free. I'm offering one-to-one consultation only for limited period, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Okay guys, wish you all the best. Have a safe trading and stay blessed and have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.